purpose of this lab is to install a power supply. So we need to install a power supply based on following requirements. It has to have the power connector, appropriate power connectors for this motherboard and the CPU. So if we look at the motherboard and zoom in a bit, you can see 24 pin connector. And 8 pins for the CPU. And we can also look at the details for the motherboard, look at the specifications and see that is 8 and that is 24. So let's look at 2. So 2 says 24 pin and 8 pin. Alright, so we'll close that and let's look at our power supplies. First one looks like 24 and that looks like 8, so that looks like a good possibility. This one looks like it, I'm not sure how many that is. It looks like that might be 20 and that's 4, so that will not work. That looks like that's 24 and that's 4, so that will not work. So the first one, which has 24 pins and then an 8 pin, is the power supply that we want. So let's drag it here and start connecting. Did I get the 8? I want the 8. Okay. So we've connected the motherboard power connector and the CPU power connector. Let's connect the power connectors. See the power connectors for the hard drives. And there are the hard drives. So scroll over and connect. And connect. And connect. Okay. And then we want to connect the power connector for the optical drive, so we'll go to the drive bay and scroll up and there. Now we'll plug in the computer using an existing cable that's plugged into the power strip. Alright, so we've got that. It's plugged into the power strip and we need to plug that into the computer. Let's go to the back and we'll scroll down, plug that in, and it's already turned on. Oh, we turned it on anyway. And the voltage appears to be 115, which is correct, I think. Yeah, 115. Alright, we've turned the power on. Okay. So now let's go to the front of the computer and see if we can turn it on. And we want to boot into Windows. Alright, and that booted into Windows, so let's try scoring the lab and see how things went. It looks like it's a good result, so thank you for watching.